is happening in the world today is a result of what we're eating, what we're drinking, and what we're thinking. We do not understand how the body works. What we need is just a little manual. In fact, we wrote a manual. It's called the pH Miracle Book. And that manual actually describes accurately the physiology of the body and the anatomy of the body and how the body actually works. Something as simple as what causes nausea. It's not described in any medical text. And yet it's the second leading symptomology that over-the-counter drugs are then taken to neutralize. One of those you probably are familiar with is an alkalizing compound called Alka-Seltzer. Tums is another one. What is the major ingredient of that? Is sodium bicarbonate. Well, the stomach produces sodium bicarbonate to neutralize the acids from our foods. When we're angry or we're exercising or we need extra alkalinity, the stomach produces that, pushes that alkalinity into the blood and tissues to neutralize the acids of metabolism, and you get a belly full of acid. You know, I used to run marathons. I gave it up at the age of 29, but I always wondered, why are those people on the side of the road throwing up? And the reason they're throwing up is because the stomach's producing alkalinity to pull into the blood and the tissues so they don't die. And what they get is a belly full of acid and they're off the side of the road puking. And I've always wondered about that. But you ask your doctor, they don't even know what causes ad nauseum. I mean, something as simple as that. And yet, if we understand that nausea is experienced at women who are pregnant, who have morning sickness, they need extra alkalinity because not only their metabolism, but the production of producing a baby produces excess waste products, and the stomach has to produce the alkalinity in the form of sodium bicarbonate to neutralize those acids, or the mother and the baby dies. So what happens? The mother's in the bathroom puking. What? Hydrochloric acid, which is a pH of 1 to 1.5, and we need to put this into our bodies. Every drug that I've ever examined has hydrochloric acid in it. Every drug. Every vaccine has an acid in it that will take life, not give life. Antibiotics are acids. What are we thinking here? We are literally destroying our society.